Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electronic scoreboard. This is a really neat scoreboard. First of all, it's digital, so you have all of it on here digitally. You can see your numbers for your home, your guests. You also can have a timer on here, so if you had a countdown to something, you can use this as a timer. Now this does actually come with a tripod, which is awesome. So you can have this mounted up somewhere so your teams can see, your audience can see, and your scoreboard just hooks right into the top of the tripod. We just take this little thing off at the top. So you take that off, and then you've actually got this little hook right here that you can easily stick on there, and then you have a way that you can put your electronic scoreboard on. Now this does come with a remote control, so you can actually control it from across. So if you are doing a referee game, or if you're actually playing the game yourself, you can just use this remote to be able to control this. Now it does have to plug in. It doesn't go off batteries. They give you your USB port, which you can use with an external power bank, which this is not part of it. This is my own. Or you can get a brick, which they've provided the brick, and just plug it into the wall. They've also got anchoring things here, so you can just anchor this into sheetrock and hang it up. And on the back, you have your little mounting stuff right here. So you have your hardware. Now we are going to turn this on and we'll check it out. And then we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna have my kids play some ping pong and we will keep some score. So I've got this plugged in and these lights are super bright. In the remote, they have your batteries in the back, which is great. They provide those for you. Just make sure you go in here and they have a little piece of plastic on them. Get that plastic taken off and then this remote will be ready to go. So now we can turn it on and off with our remote. And we have our time. You can add different scores to it. So you have your score. You can add your score up, down. So you have your up and downs right here for your scores. And you actually have your instruction manual here too that tells you all of the different ways to use this remote and how to set things, how to set timers. You can actually show different fouls for different people that you go on different sides. All right, so we're gonna play a game of ping pong here. And then as they go, I'm gonna use my remote. I've got my scoreboard set up over here and we're gonna keep some score. And game on, go. Okay, so we got a point for this side. So this is a really great way to be able to keep score. So as the kids are playing, we got another point over here. As the kids are playing, you can then keep score. So this also shows your time where you can just set it up as a background. So before games start or anything, or if you just needed to have a time, like if you're outside, this shows your current time that you can have. You can also do timers that will then count down to your timers. You want to have races, you have all that. There are just a lot of different things that you can do with this electronic scoreboard. And I love that they give you that tripod to go with it, that you will have it whenever you want to use it, and it can adjust up really high. It's about 61 inches high that it can go up to. And if you didn't want to use it for the scoreboard, you can use it for your phone. And there we have it. We're all done.